Hello everyone, I'm Abby Lopez and I am the webmaster for the Springdale School District, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload your photos into a gallery on your home page. So the first thing we'll do is go ahead and head to CMS right underneath where Apogee logo is at. And after it's there, you'll go ahead and go down to either home page or gallery. If you go to home page, you'll see that there's other sections such as this one right here, or the news section, the live feed events. But if you click on edit where the gallery is usually located at, it'll just redirect you to the gallery section right here. So ideally for image sizes, you'll want to keep it below 10 megabytes. And the sizing as length goes, it should be 1980 by 1080 pixels. So to actually upload them, you'll go to the right side on top right here where it says upload images. It'll show you where you need to upload your image, so you'll just select your image right here. To actually edit, such as cropping or moving around, you'll click on the little pencil icon and you'll just adjust how you need to, or if you want to replace an image as well, you can. And ideally, you want to use in alt text right here in the corner and hit save changes. And if you also want to delete any pictures, you can go ahead and click on the little trash can in the corner right here, and it'll ask you if you're sure to delete this image. And you can also adjust your heading as well. There's options to edit your heading or to write a subtext right here. And then keep in mind as well that the maximum images you can put on your gallery is 10 images right here where it says in the corner. And if you need to adjust the sizing of the actual images, you can use either Canva or you can use an online image compressor, such as bulk image compressor or tiny PNG. If you have any more questions, you can contact me through my Springdale email, or you can contact the Thrillshare team right here in the corner as well. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.